Let's check in with Neda now on the forecast.
Well, good morning to all of you. Check out these clouds that are hanging right over San Francisco right now. Yes, the sun, of course, is out. A lot of the East Bay, you notice that sunshine, barely seeing any cloud coverage. And here's what's going on over at SFO. So you can definitely tell there is a low cloud ceiling, but it's already starting to break apart. We'll see some sun shining right there on the airplane. So SFO air visibility-wise doesn't seem to be an issue. Over in Oakland, it may be 53 degrees right now in San Francisco, 50 in Livermore, Oakland 54, Concord 56 degrees. Now here's a look at the wind speeds. We do have this west wind through downtown, and that's what's pushing those clouds coming right over the water onto land, and that's why we're dealing with that this morning. Oakland, a 5-mile-per-hour wind, so not too strong, and then southwest winds in Fairfield at 18, so that's been blowing pretty strong there throughout the morning hours. Visibility-wise, so Half Moon Bay, it's still down to about 6 miles. SFO, though, in the clear, 8 miles over at Oakland Airport, and doing okay for most of the North Bay. You may run into some areas of that low-lying patchy fog, but as you can see right here, a lot of it's just hovering right there near Marin Headlands in San Francisco and right along the beaches. Here's a look at what we can expect for today. Cool along the coast, warm inland temperatures, and then this low is going to pass on through later on this afternoon through tomorrow morning. It could actually bring us a very, very minimal chance of showers for parts of Mendocino County. That's all. Not expecting any of that to dip down into the Bay Area at all. We may also see a chance for thunderstorms as well later on today because of it, but that's again north of us. Most of it's all going to stay up there in the Pacific Northwest. So what we'll see is temperatures in the 60s for a lot of the coastline, 80s for places like Campbell, 82 in Morgan Hill, 78 in San Jose. Further out east you go, also in the low 80s with plenty of sunshine there. Clouds are going to run through mainly around the coast today, 65 for you in Sausalito. We'll have a little dip in our temperatures for tomorrow. Temperatures going from the 80s to the 70s for Wednesday. And then look, we're right back up to the 80s for inland areas by the time Friday and Saturday roll around. It's going to be a pretty warm looking weekend. And that's a look at your forecast.